Sharing with you why I absolutely love my Tiger Balm pain relieving patch. This patch, as soon as you get it out the package, you can smell it. I love the ingredients in it, and I love that it really works. Tiger Balm has nearly 100-year history of pain relief. Join me as I put this on so I can share with you how it works. It's a flexible pain relieving patch. This product provides temporary pain relief for comfort for hours. It's not messy, greasy, and it will not stain your clothes. That's one reason I love it as well. Additionally, its thin design can be comfortably worn unnoticed underneath clothing, okay? So let me share with you why I love this one. So let's open it together. So the patch, as you can see, is pretty wide. I call man hands. You can see how large it is. And all you do is, let me share with you how it looks. So you can see it's sticky and you can smell it. So let's go ahead and put it on. I have shoulder pain, and I'm actually gonna put it on my shoulder. Let me share with you how I do that. 1 second. Okay, so I'm gonna actually put it right here. My pain is actually right here. So I'm just gonna kind of push my shirt back, and all you do is do like this. Oh, look at the patch. So you can see how I have it. Just press it and you can immediately tell the difference. And I just simply pull my bra back up, put my shirt up, and I'm perfect for the day. I highly recommend this Tiger Balm. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. Let me know what you guys think.